Now, today you have to discuss the CBSE class 10 polynomials of chapter 2. Topic is geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Clear? Now we have basically in our syllabus two type of polynomials. One is linear polynomials and other is quadratic polynomials. Now linear polynomials mean it's a straight line. Linear polynomial means straight line. Now what is this? Y is equal to ax plus b, where a not is equal to 0. Clear? Now for linear polynomials, the zero so for linear polynomial there is only one zero, and that is ax plus b is equal to 0. Now x is equal to ax is equal to minus b, that is x equal to minus b by a. That is constant by coefficient of x. Otherwise we can talk to that minus constant by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. This is for the linear polynomials and the zero. What is the value of the zero? Now this is minus b by a. Now if we take one situation that for the linear polynomials, we basically take one equation. Now we have taken that is linear polynomial. Let's say y is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is 0 of the polynomial is minus 3 by 2. Now how can we make the graph? That is the value of x. That is the value of x. And the value of x is x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and y is equal to 0. Therefore, coordinate is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Then the coordinate is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Now how we represented the graph? It's a very simple how we represented the graph. Clear? Now represent the graph. Represented the graph. Clear? Now how we represented the graph? Represented the graph in such a way, that is, we have to write down this. This is x, O, x dash. Is y, O, y. Now the line goes to the, now this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. That means x is equal to 0. Means y is equal to 0 means every value of 0 is basically on that. So that is minus 3 by 2. That is minus 3 by 2 is lies between this point. Very understand that. This is minus 3 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2. Because minus 3 by 2 divided by 3, that is 1, 2, that is 1, that is 0.0, 0.5, 1.5 minus 1.5, that is in there. So the line goes through this point, and this is the equation of the line. This is the equation of the line. Now this is the graphical representation of linear polynomial. It's clear? Now we go through the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial, let us take a polynomial that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a not is equal to 0. A not is equal to 0. Now take one polynomial like that is, let's say y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now where a is equal to which one? 1. Now depending of value of the 1, most important thing is that depending the value of 1, depending the value of 1, depending the value of 1, value of a, if a, case 1, if a greater than 0, or case 2, a less than 0. For the quadratic polynomial, either the graph is this or the graph is this, for any polynomial. So this is a greater than 0. And this is a less than. This is called open upward. Open upward. And this is called open downwards. This is called open upwards and open downwards. The total things is that these are called, all these are parabola. And depending the value of 1, if a less than 0, it's open downwards. If a greater than 0, it's open upward. And whole the quadratic equation, the graph of the quadratic equation is parabolas. Graph of the equation is parabolas. Now if we take that equation, this one, this one, now comparing the equation with polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, but a not is equal to 0, then a is equal to 1 b is equal to -3, c is equal to -4. So over here a is greater than 1. So the graph of x square minus 3x minus 4, x square minus 3x minus 4 is open upwards here, and the graph is like that. It's a parabola. It's a parabola. It's a parabola of open upwards. Now this is the all about of graphical representation of parabola or quadratic polynomials.